That's correct. Mfowethu, ingxoxo namhlanje ithi every problem has in it the seeds of its own solutions. Yonke inkinga esibhekana nayo isuke ihamba nesixazululo. Ngiyazi mangikhuluma kanjalo izoba sensitive kwabanye ngoba uma sikhuluma kanjalo ukuthi yonke inkinga iba nesolution, komunye umuntu kubo ngathi siyayi-undermine inkinga yakhe. I know abanye bethu siyasibe nama-challenges of embracing our own problems and owning them as if these are our problems and our azixazululeki. Kodwa namhlanje ngizokhuluma nabanye ngithi uNkulunkulu into ayenzile ngokucreate ama-systems, iy'nkinga ney'nkinga esidlula kuzo umuntu uyayibhekisisa isuke zine-solutions. Iyona into engizoku-encourage ngayo namhlanje. Ngila ngikhona njengamanje ngibuka uNkulunkulu indlela asebenza ngayo phezu kwempilo yami. Mangicubungula ngibuka inkinga noma iy'nkinga engidlule kuzo, ngiyazibona ukuthi beyingahambi zodwa, beyihamba ne-portion yesixazululo. Khona isitori esidumile mfethu engicela ukusisho fast la. Kuthiwa mfethu khona ifama mfethu lasenembongo lendala, kwathi ngelinye ilanga lembongolo yawela emgodini, yathi ifama mesifuna ukuyikhipha lembongolo yahluleka, and then decide ukuthi ngoba lembongolo isivese ekhulile angiyigqibe la emgodini, waqala lona ngefosholo, wathatha ifosholo wafaka inhlabathi emgodini, yakhala imbongolo izubuhlungu ukuthi umuntu esimsebenzele for this long ekugcineni usiyayigqiba, yabo. Kuthe kusanjalo imbongolo ya-realize ukuthi every time mangishawa ngale nhlabathi ngithi ukunyakazisa umzimba, inhlabathi iwela phansi, and ukuwa kwale nhlabathi ngikwazi ukuyithola sengigibela phezu kwayo. Kuthiwa njalo ifama malifaka inhlabathi, imbongolo yayithatha le nhlabathi igibele phezu kwayo, yagcina isiphumile emgodini. Sikhule ngey'tori kanjena, uma uyibuka mfethu ibuka ngazithi zi-insignificant noma ayihlangani nempilo, kodwa mfethu njalo masicubungula impilo sibona ukuthi iy'nkinga eziza kuthina uNkulunkulu ngobuhlakani bakhe lezo inkinga isuke engahambi zodwa, isuke ihamba ne-portion yesixazululo. Sibonile mfethu abanye sishonelwa mfethu kwenzeka izinto ezibuhlungu, ama-divorce, ama-rape, izinto ezibuhlungu mfethu esingayiphakamisi, but we've seen the hand of God even nakulezo inkinga. Namhlanje ungilalele mfethu, I don't know what you're going through, and masikhuluma kanjena it's a blanket approach like I always say. Sikhuluma nabantu abadlule ey'hlukahlukene, but one thing I can assure you, God is able ukuthi kulobo buhlungu odlula kubona akwazi ukuletha isixazululo. Mfethu mangidlula kancane lapho mfethu, mhlazana uNkulunkulu kuba khona ubumnyama, uNkulunkulu elento lena create izinto, that darkness ayingahambi yodwa, yayihamba ne-seed, yayizoba ne-invention ye-light. Abantu abadala i-light badala i-light because there was darkness. Darkness yayingahambi yodwa. I-force of gravity mfethu, because of force of gravity kube nama-invention, sesinamabhanoyi because of i-force of gravity. I-distance mfethu, i-distance bengahambi yodwa, hamba ne-seed of i-solution. Iziphi izinto odlula kuzona? Trust God ukuthi akulethele isixazululo. Uma ngiqhubeka kanjalo mfethu, amabhizinisi amaningi aphumelele who are doing great things, they strive on analyzing problems and then they bring solutions. Yonke ibhizinisi ongalicabanga namhlanje, yonke i-tuckshop engakini, the problem was ukudla bekungekho, umuntu wabuka ukuthi sinenkinga lana, sikwazi ukuthi sisupply ukudla ngendlela efanele, waletha i-tuckshop kuleyo ndawo, because every problem presents i-opportunity for a solution. Trust God ukuthi whatever that you are going through. Uthi mfethu ulento lena uJosepha ekugcineni lokho enaniqonde ukuthi kungilimaze, what you meant for evil, God has turned it around. Okusho ukuthi mfethu ngisho ney'nkulumo ezimbi, even nemcimsholo ebheke kuwe efuna ukuzokulimaza, God is able to turn it around. Baze bethi abanye mfethu, uma abantu bekuphosela olamula, thatha leyo nto ukhiqiza ijuice, because even if ungamuncu kunjalo you can still produce something sweet, ijuice. Sengivala mfethu, bathi inkinga zizi kuwena uma ukuthi uNkulunkulu akayifaka ngesolution kuwena. And mfethu I'm a witness of that, ukuthi every problem that I've gone through ngidlule kuyona because uNkulunkulu bengithembile ukuthi ngizonqoba kuyo. That is my encouragement namhlanje. God is able to produce a greater good even from ama tragedies of life. Right now it does not make sense kade ungcwaba mfethu umuntu obeyiphila of the family this weekend, but all I'm here to say ukuthi every problem has in it the seeds of its own solutions. Sengivala mfethu, it's quite interesting ukuthi the very same mountain uAbraham ebeyitshena ukuthi mfethu kuzoqedwa ngaye ngengane yakhe kuyo, that was the same mountain uNkulunkulu akwazi futhi ukuthi acashise the solution ukuthi no, the lamb has conquered. The lamb that instead of him slaughtering his son, uNkulunkulu waletha, the solution was there, the lamb. Uma kufika isono sasingahambi sodwa, because the Bible, at times we will think isono safika kuqala, then kwase kufika solution. But when you read the Bible, Jesus is the lamb that was slain before the foundations of the world. uNkulunkulu besesilethile isixazululo. Okwakho ukubheka isixazululo and uthembe uNkulunkulu ukuthi sikhona isixazululo. God is love. Take heart today. Be encouraged. Every problem that we are going through, I'm not undermining your problem, but I just want to assure you, every problem has in it a seed of its own solution. God is love.